FABASA stands for Family Business Association of Southern Africa, and it was formed in 2010. And as our slogan says, it was established to empower and energize family business in South Africa. Well, family business represents about 80% of all businesses in South Africa, a sector that creates immense job opportunities for people in this country and also makes a considerable contribution to the country's gross domestic product.
Family businesses basically form the backbone of all economies in the world. There's no country we could find where that is not true.
On one hand, in one bucket you have the family, and in the other bucket you have your business. And if that bucket is not in line, you're going to have problems.
If we don't find ways to sustain family businesses in South Africa, we cannot sustain our economy. It's a crucial part of the business environment in South Africa.
In any normal non-family business, you have two main systems. You have the business system and then you have the management system. So in the business system, you will also get ownership. So mainly you have two main stakeholders in the business. That's your owners and that's your management. The moment that you add family to that, you immediately have a third very important system that change everything inside the business, as well as the ownership and the family structures. In the family business, because you have family members working in the business, you immediately have the big component of emotion. We have also seen that people that's employed in a family business stay there much longer than compared to non-family businesses. A very big important difference between the two is obviously the issue of succession. Because in the majority of family businesses, the business will most probably be handed over to a family member, where in a non-family business, you know, it's the most competent person that will apply for the job and that will happen. It's not necessarily bad in a family business, but emotions also play a part in the succession issue.
PSG and FABASA have a business partnership. PSG was a company that started as a family-owned business many years ago. And your members are all family-owned businesses, and we believe from where we've come to and what we can offer, we can help them to our learnings. We also offer services and solutions that can be benefit to your members.
Ik denk dit is 'n fantastiese dag en 'n goeie program en hulle touch op alles wat belangrik is vir 'n familiebesigheid. So ek het dit regtig van onskatbare waarde gevind. Dis regtig goeie sprekers. Ek dink dis op die man af. En dis kort en kragtig en verstaanbaar en nodig vir elke besigheid om dit te wees.
In family business, it's all the time back to basics. And I think you managed to get a collection of speakers here today who talk basics and who's done it. They've been through the mill, they know what they're talking about, and I think that speaks loudly and clearly. The family businesses who are represented here today can identify with what's being said. It's worthwhile.
Die handleiding is baie behulpsaam en die feit dat jy spasie het om notas te maak soos die spreker praat en jy kan teruggaan en dit raak weer amper jou eie handleiding.
Ons dink die deelname was fantasties. Elkeen het 'n kans gekry om vrae te vra, vrae te antwoord. Almal neem deel. Ek hou van die idee dat daar groepsbesprekings is na elke afdeling.
You have to take risk and you have to be positive. Entrepreneur is a benefit to society, like you people. I'm proud people like yourselves.